Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is again Teacher Rhea, and this time I am going to discuss an average deviation. So average deviation can be solved. So this time I'm going to focus on ungrouped data first. So can be solved using the formula AD is equal to the summation of the absolute value of x minus mean divided by n. So what are those variables represents? We have AD is the average deviation, x is the individual item or that is the individual score, x bar that refers to the mean. Then we have n is the number of items under observation or that refers to the total number of score provided. Now, to make you understand better, let's have an example. We have here, find the average deviation of the scores 97, 92, 96, 95, and 90. So, the best way to do this one is we are not going to go directly with the general equation of average deviation, but instead, one by one, let us try to identify the values of each data needed for the solution or solving of average deviation. So starting with identify the value of n. So since there are 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, so n is equal to 5. Next is we need to solve for the mean. Again, the mean is the average of all the scores. So 97 plus 92 plus 96 plus 95 plus 90, divide it by 5. And since 97 plus 92 plus 96 plus 95 plus 90 is equal to 470, and 470 divided by 5 is 94, meaning our mean is 94. Then let us have this table. So why did we come up with this table? We need to identify the value of x minus the mean or the score minus the mean and the absolute value of the score minus the mean. Why? It's because we need to identify the value of this one, the absolute value of x minus mean. So we have, since the mean is equal to 94, so 97 minus 94, that is 3. 92 minus 94, that's negative 2. 96 minus 4, that's 94 is 2. 95 minus 94 is 1. 90 minus 94 is negative 4. And when we say absolute value, meaning we're going to identify the positive value of each term. So we have the absolute value of 3 is 3. The absolute value of negative 2 is 2. The absolute value of 2 is 2. The absolute value of 1 is 1. And then the absolute value of negative 4 is positive 4. So actually, when we are talking about absolute value, if positive na daan, you just have to copy. If it's negative, drop lang na nimo ang negative sign and then copy the integer. So now that we have the value of the absolute value of x minus mean, we are going to identify the summation or the sum, the total nila. So 3 plus 2 plus, or 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 1 is 8, plus 4 is 12, meaning the summation of x minus mean is equal to 12. Now that we have the value of the summation of x minus mean, we can now proceed to solving for the average deviation. So by substitution, we have the summation of x minus mean is 12. Divide it with the value of n, which is 5. And 12 divided by 5 is 2.4. And 2.4 now is what we call as our average deviation. So, just remember the formula, complete the table, substitute it to the equation, and you will be able to solve it or solve for the average deviation. So, I hope you learned something from the video. Thank you for watching. Please watch out for the next video about standard deviation of ungrouped data. Bye!